Hello. Hola. Soy Dora. We are the Quirky Crew. Start the video. Talimos po. Sakit. May lagnat. Binubuhay mo na kami daw, po, yung kapatid ko. Pinagpipito ko pala. Wag na po, umalis na tayo. Alis na tayo. Tapos nakita mo daw kami. Guys, dito! Hi, Harion! Where's my brother today? Help me! Don't see him! Please don't! Napatay na yung kapatid ko tuloy. Hindi, nasaktan lang daw ako. Pero ano? Nisaktan pa! Magpa-reveal nga tayo na mayaman tayo. Okay, mayaman. Wait lang. We are the CEO of the company, Lawrence. By the way, guys, this is a joke. Maybe Bobby Brown did this. So, who are you going to respect, okay? Go na! I'm sorry! Tapos na palo doon. I'm sorry! Please forgive me! We can't forgive you. It's too late. You bullied us so fast. Kangku. Yeah, you'll never be successful like us, like a bully. Yeah, so don't even care about going to us. As a CEO. You will never. It's too late to say sorry. You can't change your own words, and you can't be successful if you're not kind. And you need to feed the others like you feed yourself. And also, you never save nature and Mother Earth and everything else. You never just like us, we became kind and everybody cares about us. We were just pretending to be poor to get people, attention or emotions to be kind to people else. And everyone is human except for an animal. Leave Nana. Go. Ano gawin ko? Usually in your own words. Your own words. I'm really sorry. I beg you for mercy. It's too late now. We're just going to, let's for example, like this. Like that. Dito. Over here daw. Unari daw naman eh. Dito daw. Guys! I'm so sorry. I beg for mercy. I will be kind. I promise. No. Billy, it's too late. Kung may pangalan mo kay Billy ka, ba? We have to put you in jail for like 20 years because you were so cruel to us. Yeah, and everyone is human and you should feed everyone and you're just playing. We're just pretending. Yes, it's all about kindness, not greediness. Sorry, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Please. Ito sa station. 3, 2, 1, go. The end. We are the Quirky Squads. And goodbye.